Hello everyone. This is Lakshman Lonkar, lecturer in electronics from Government Polytechnic, Washington. Today we'll see the practical of logic gates. Means actually we all know that the symbols and truth table of logic gates. Actually we saw these symbols and the truth table of all logic gates in last lecture. So today we will see whether suppose we can take an example. First, take an example of AND gate. Suppose this is the table of AND gate. We know that for 0 0 the output is 0 and the output is 0 for all the output is 0 for these three combination, and only will get the output is 1 when both input are 1. So we will see this kind of truth table, whether this truth table is correct or not. Means we can with the help of practical or with the help of some transistor logic, we can check whether this truth table will verify this truth table. So in the virtual lab, I will provide this link in the descriptions. We just need to go with the theory. In the theory also we will see the truth tables and symbols of all logic gates. So for example, see, this is the AND gate. This is the symbol of AND gate, and the equation of AND gate is y equal to, there is output. Y is nothing but the output. Output is equal to product of input. Right? So a into a dot b. So this is the truth table. So we'll verify the truth table is whether true or not. So just we need to, or you can go through the theory. So this is the equivalent circuit, right? So it is implemented by transistor implemented circuit. So all the gate you will see in the theory. This implementation by diode. These are the all basic gates and their symbols and their truth table, and implementation with diode and transistor. So we'll see the simulation. Before the simulation, we can read the instruction here. This is a pop-up procedure, or it is a procedure how to connect all these gates and connection for the gates to perform simulations, or to perform the output of all the gates. First of all, we will see one by one. So this is AND gate. In the AND gate, actually we know that this truth table of AND gate. We just you can read the instruction. Actually, I know the instructions, so I don't. Actually, I am not follow the process, because I know. If you don't know, then you can follow the process, and once you know, you can follow the same process. Suppose first of all, press switch 1 for the battery connection, press 2 for the battery. You can read if you are not able to do this connection. In this connection, you can see, or you can watch this video and you can do the same. For just connect, click on battery. The battery will connect. It will showing the connected position. So you just need to on this supply, right? So what will happen? It will just plus 5 volt for this transistor. So you can just click on. So see, you can, this part is green. That means the supplies come to this point. This is collector and supplies over here. So for verification of this truth table, we know that what is the first situation. First situation is 0 0. Both are 0, right? We will see whether output is 0 or not. So first position is both are 0. See, this position is 0, right? This position is 0. If you click on this side of this switch, then it will 1. Suppose I will click on this position, so this is 1, right? So if I click on this, so this is 0. So now switch 2 and switch 3 both are 0, right? So because it is in 0 position, switch 2 and switch 3 both are 0. So if we'll apply 0 0 to this transistor, so what will the output? So bulb is not glowing, right? That means it is 0. When bulb is glow, then that means output is 1. When bulb is not, bulb is off, then we'll get the output. That means the output is 0. If light is on, then output is 1. So For the 0 0 light is off, right? That means the output is 0. So we verify the first situation, right? So second situation, A is 1 or B is 0. A is 1, A is 1 and B is 0. So I will apply 1 here, right, and B is 0. So you can switch 2, you can consider as a switch 2 is A and switch 3 as a B. So A is 1, you can show the green color over here. So switch A is 1 and switch 3, that is nothing but the B. B is 0. A is 1 and B is 0. So output is 0. That is off, right? That means we have verified the second position. So we'll go with the third position. So what is third position? A is 0 and B is 1. So output should be 0. So we'll verify A is 0. A is 0. I will make A 0 and B is 1. So I will make B is 1. So still output is 0, right? So we have verified third position also. So we'll check fourth condition. What is fourth condition? A and B both are 1. A and B both are 1. So if A and B both are 1, so there should be the output is 1. So in this condition, our light should be in on position. We'll check. So A is 1 and B is also 1, right? So light is on. So that means output is 1. So for only if both A and B is 1, then only we'll get the output is a 1. So this is a way I verify the table of AND gate. So in this situation or in this same procedure, you can verify all these table of all these remaining logic gates. Okay. If in case of any queries, you may just write in comment. I will reply as you posted the questions. I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this virtual lab practical of all the logic gates. Thank you.